Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to be working through the Chapter 9 review. We're on page 645 in our Go Math book. Make this a little bigger. Michael uses unit cubes to measure the length of the yarn. Circle the number in the box that makes the sentence true. Okay, so the yarn is about 2 centimeters long, 4 centimeters long, or 6 centimeters long. Pause your video and do number 1. Okay, number 2. The paper clip is about 4 centimeters long. Robin says the string is about 7 centimeters long. Gail says the string is about 20 centimeters long. Okay, so remember the paper clip is about 4 centimeters long. Which girl has the better estimate? So who's right? Is Gail right or is Robin right? Who has the better estimate of how long the string is based on the fact that the paper clip is 4 centimeters long? Go ahead and pause your video and explain. All right, let's continue to the next page, 646. This one says Sandy's paper chain is 14 centimeters long. Tim's paper chain is 6 centimeters long. How many centimeters of paper chain do they have? Draw a diagram, write a number sentence using a box for the missing number, then solve. So you're going to use this for your diagram. You're going to write your number sentence here using the box for the missing number, and then the paper chain is blank centimeters long now, which is where you write your answer. Pause your video and do number 3. All right, number 4. Write the word on the tile that makes the sentence true. So the words you can use are centimeters or meters. Okay, here we go. Here's the first one. A hallway is 4 blank long. A marker is 15 blank long. A toothpick is 5 blank long. A sofa, or couch is another word for sofa, is 2 blank long. Pause your video and do number 4. All right, let's go to the next page, to 647. Number 1 says, estimate the length of a real car, fill in the bubble next to all. Remember that word all is important. That means there's probably more than one right answer. The sentences that are true. So thinking about a car. The car is more than 100 centimeters long. If that's true, fill in the bubble. The car is less than 1 meter long. The car is less than 10 meters long. The car is about 20 centimeters long. The car is more than 150 meters long. So fill in the bubble next to the ones that you think are true. Okay, let's continue to the Think Smarter problem. Measure the length of each object. Does the sentence describe the objects? Choose yes or no. So you're going to measure the marker and the crayon. Move that out of the way. You write what they measure to here. Then after you measure them, you need to answer these questions. So why don't you pause your video and measure the marker and the crayon, write your answers, and then I'll read these questions to you. Okay. Yes or no? The marker is 11 centimeters longer than the crayon. Yes or no? The crayon is 4 centimeters shorter than the marker. Yes or no? The total length of the marker and the crayon is 18 centimeters. Yes or no? All right, let's go to the next page. Number 7 says, Ethan's rope is 25 centimeters long. Ethan cuts the rope and gives a piece to Hank. Ethan's rope is now 16 centimeters long. How many centimeters of rope did Hank get from Ethan? You're going to again draw a diagram. You're going to write a number sentence using a box for the unknown number, then solve. So your diagram goes here, number sentence goes here, answer goes here. Hank got blank centimeters of rope. Pause your video and do number 7. All right, last one. It says measure the paintbrush to the nearest centimeter. Circle the number in the box that makes the sentence true. Okay? The paintbrush is about 12 centimeters long, 13 centimeters long, or 14 centimeters long. Circle the correct answer. All right, I've explained all the pages, so let's go back and let's check our answers. All right, Michael uses unit cubes to measure the length of the yarn. Circle the number in the box that makes the sentence true. So this yarn is 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters long. All right, so let's see. Who had the better estimate? Well, let's see. If this paper clip is about 4 centimeters, right? If we had another paper clip, say we had another one, right? Then that would be another 4 centimeters, and 4 plus 4 equals 8. So the string, I would say, is close to 8 centimeters, okay? Robin says it's 7 centimeters, or the string is 7 centimeters. Gail says the string is about 20 centimeters. I would say Robin's closer. So Robin is what we'll say. Robin is closer. That's the first part. Now I got to tell why. And we'll say the string is a little longer than 2 paper clips. That's an I in there. Or 8 centimeters, period. That's all we need to do. Let's go to the next page. All right, so Sandy's paper chain is 14 centimeters long. So we'll start here, and it's 14 centimeters long. Okay, and then we'll write 14 above that line. And then we know that Tim's is 6 centimeters long. We want to find out how much they have all together. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And so we put those together, so we added them. So we would say 14 plus 6 equals blank. We don't know the missing number, right? So we're going to put a box. And so if we add it together, it's 20. So the paper chain is 20 centimeters long. All right, write the word on the tile that makes the sentence true. So the hallway, I would say, is 4 centimeters long. A marker is about 15 centimeters long. I'm just going to abbreviate mine. A toothpick is about 5 centimeters long. And a sofa is about 2 meters long. On to the next page. And so we got to fill in all the ones that we think would be true about a car. So the car is more than 100 centimeters long. Yeah. Right? Because that's a meter stick. The car is less than 1 meter long. No. The car is less than 10 meters long. I would say yes, that it's less than 10 meters long. Right? That's 10 meter sticks lined up together. The car is about 20 centimeters long. No. The car is more than 150 meters long. No, absolutely not. All right, so we got to measure these objects. So let's see. The marker is about 11 centimeters, and the crayon is about 7 centimeters. Okay. So we've got 11 and 7. The marker is 11 centimeters longer than the crayon. No. The crayon is 4 centimeters shorter than the marker. Let's see. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Yes. Okay. Last one. The total length of the marker and the crayon is 18 centimeters. 11 plus 7 equals 18. Yes. Let's go to the next page. All right, Ethan's rope. So we got to draw a diagram for this. So his rope is 25 centimeters. So that's our whole thing. And once he gives some to Ethan, right? Ethan's rope is 16. Ethan cuts the rope and gives a piece to Hank. Ethan's rope is now 16 centimeters long. So we're going to start here because he gives it some to Hank, and then what he has left is he has 16. So he gives this part right here to Hank. So we know this, right? Actually, hold on. It's now 16. So we got to go back 16 hops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So all the way to the 9, if I counted right. So this doesn't matter. All right, so that means let's see, so we could do 25 minus 16, because there's actually two ways we could do this, equals blank, or we could do 25 minus blank, because we don't know how much he gave Ethan, equals 16. So there's two ways we could do this. And so that means he gave Ethan, Hank, or I should say Hank got 9 centimeters of Ethan's rope. Our last one, measure the paintbrush. It is about 13 centimeters long. And with that, you're all done. Good luck with your next assignment.